Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today we take the BOBCAT TOOLCAT and the BOBCAT E50 excavator and we attempt to start making a retaining wall out of big boulders. Now I've never done this before and so I'm pretty new to it and I might have to tear it all back apart at some point, but I'm going to spend a few hours today and see just how hard it is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell, and I will see you next time. Later. Digging was actually the easy part for me. I enjoy digging with my excavator and it's a lot of fun. I actually, the hard part for me is moving giant piles of dirt. And I have my little TOOLCAT and it does a pretty good job, but it doesn't do that great scooping through giant rocks. It does good in loose dirt, but when there's rocks to move, it's not that good. I had my friend John come in and actually that evening I had him come in and move that pile of dirt with his little skid steer. So we actually used BOBCAT excavator E50, then the TOOLCAT, and then got a helping hand with a little skid steer machine. Now this is pretty interesting. I've never done this before. And actually my friend John does it all the time, but he'll probably come in here and when he sees this, he'll probably laugh at me. But this is my first attempt at trying to build a retaining wall with these giant boulders. And you kind of just grab one, bring it down, and see where it fits. And sometimes they look good in a spot, like that one actually looked pretty good right there. And then sometimes it's they don't fit as good, and you kind of just have to throw them aside and try to grab another one. It'll probably take me quite a while to build this block wall or this rock wall. And right there it's kind of looking straight, but it does take some effort. So what I do is I kind of lean the first row back and then I start stacking them and then I pull dirt, scrape dirt down behind them. Right here I had the drone tracking me and you can see it kind of stopped where that tree was. It's slowly, I'm slowly getting a little better with the drone. It's a learning curve though. Now right here I'm digging back behind it. I'm putting a little bit of dirt in the front so when I set them in there, they'll lean backwards. And this one took a few minutes to think about and figure out how I was going to put it in there. There's some pretty heavy rocks too. I mean, There was a couple of those first ones that I put in. My excavator wouldn't even, had trouble putting them in. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.